Managing a team is difficult, and staying on the same page can be overwhelming. Tasks, notes, updates. How can you take the best decisions when your team is out of sync? Don't worry, fellow. You just need to think yellow. Yellow is a software for digital whiteboards crafted to get the most out of your meetings. Powerful, yet easy as paper. Use it for project management, brainstorming, planning, and even more. No matter the scale of your group, Yellow keeps it simple. Work together from any corner of the world as if you were right in the same room. Follow the session from any device. Write, vote, and share your thoughts in real time. No need of back and forth emails, thank you. Have as many group sessions as you want and pause them whenever you need to. Don't worry, Yellow saves automatically your work wherever you choose to. And when you're finished, get a closer look of your tracks and records. Now you know. Next time, move together in the same direction. Think in sync. Think Yellow.